So audio quality is very okay, but I do have to notice something. In the beginning I used it on the normal settings, but after that, around 20 seconds, you could have seen in the video, I already turn on the 3D mode. And the 3D mode isn't really like you get surround sound, but it does improve the lower bass frequencies and the sound gets a bit clearer. And I don't really care necessarily about the bass, but yeah, it sounds a little bit clearer with the 3D mode, because the normal mode was a little bit too flat to the mids. I do have to say, for a speaker this strange design, It looks really like a spaceship. It sounds very decent, especially because the speakers are so much out of each other. You really get some kind of stereo separation, because the mid driver is just for the bass. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. See you guys in the next one.